and welcome to Only You Aloud, the opportunity to go behind the scenes of the Only Boys Aloud camp. Only Men Aloud was started in the year 2000 to encourage a new audience and new singers for the male choir tradition in Wales. And in 2010 we took that a stage further with Only Boys Aloud, an initiative to get hundreds of boys from the South Wales valleys interested in singing, and more than that, interested in doing something really positive with their lives by using choral singing as the vehicle for that. Since that time, we've had an amazing experience working with these lads and seen a real transformation in them. Boys who come from a variety of different backgrounds, all working together to the same end, and that's to make a great sound, and more importantly, to have a great time.
Hi, I'm Josh from Only Boys Aloud. We just arrived in London to record a TV show.
Hello everybody, as you can see, feeding time has begun. Some posh sandwiches here, so the boys haven't actually got a clue what's in half of them. Explaining falafel and crayfish to them is very interesting, but yes, it's feeding time at the zoo.
So we're backstage at the TV show, and it's now hair and makeup time.
Rolling waistcoats for the first time with some new hairstyles, so it should be good fun.
Since we've been back to school and stuff, all my friends and family have been like really glad that I joined Only Boys Aloud, and all the success we've had has been amazing. But then we hear this thing, it's just going back to school and everyone's like, oh, you're off X Factor, aren't you? Yeah, kind of.
Well, we've been to some amazing places with OBA, but I think definitely the highlight for me has got to be singing in Colwyn Bay at an Olympic opening concert. The response from the audience was just amazing. It was incredible. There were people screaming, and we had people all over us afterwards. It was just incredible.
And it's been the best 2 years of our life, really, to be honest. Since we joined Only Boys Aloud, it's been a great experience. Made loads of friends, Dean, and it's just a really good laugh. And all the boys get together, we sing beautiful music, and have a really good time.
Just been recording another TV promo opportunity with the boys. They've done a great job. It's going to be on over the Christmas period in early December, so it's really nice to be part of that, and the boys did a great job. So that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.